inside the garden of Eden, eating my pride, sleep deprived. Every evening I'm sleeping beneath the stars. Beat the odds, let them seek out the scars. Secrets and all, follow hard till they feed on my carcass. We could be gods, singing songs for the elegy. I can still hear the melodies. People wrapped up in cellophane, moonlight cuts through the ebony. Spinal columns are shivering lately, it's like a centipede crawling across the desert. A mile lower now than ever. All the trees are neon, I see while I dream I'm free. And I'm beyond the reach of reason to be, or just not to be. I feel empty when you're not with me. I've seen all the scenery out to sea on the beach you left me. I'm ready to sink beneath an LA. It's my rain all day in paper mache and wallpaper hard as a broken fish. Take my limbs are just vacant hallways. You wander for your escape and I'm still mistaken for always. The long days of this malaise made me patient. I miss the cobwebs, missed the melancholy, garlic, holidays and the holidays. While I went from flower to flower, looking to pollinate, we're far away and wallow. We wanted to walk in water, take all of the autumn sorrows and watch them dissolve away. The way to wake up to accumulate. All my thoughts are so cumulus, all our energy's nuclear. You look into my nucleus, tell me I'm too lugubrious. Beautiful, feels elusive. We planted our darkest secrets that blooming into petunias. Pent a pendulum pulsing just like a metronome. Poison moon in my mornings and pulses, smelling the petrichor. Sepulchre head and pets are off to the weather is never enough. When effervescent second efforts get me left in the mud. Just slip above us, just a galaxy ground to crumple below me. 1,000 people surround us, inside of me's only lonely. The fireflies used to visit to sit on my skin. I miss it when mystery dissipated. You drifted into the distance.